Time for makeup! Yay! Come here, like this. Right. Huh? Oh my gosh! Oops. Look at her! What a mess!
Well, for me, you look great.
What? No way! Aw, cute!
Wanna go out?
No way! Let's go. Snack time! Yum! I'm starving! Huh? Sharing? Sure, go ahead. You'll regret that! Oh no! You didn't leave any? That was tasty. Huh? I'm breaking out! Oh my. Oh no! I have a date with Steve! What now? Oh, got an idea! Whoa! What's that? Your new mask. Huh? Hold still. Alright, let's try. Start with the nose, like this. Good thing I can breathe. Relax, you'll be fine. Now the cheeks and eyes. Like this. Don't move. Perfect. Let's cover the chin. And mouth, too. Cool. Now time for makeup. Add some blush. Now the brows. And let's do the eyes. Lashes next. And those lips. Done. Actually, I kinda like it. Awesome! Date time! Well, let's do this. Hi, Steve.
Wow!
How are you?
You look amazing!
Aw, thanks.
Ready to go?
No makeup in class, young lady! What? Oh no!
Out! Kids these days.
Not fair. But I've got an idea. I'm back. Can I come in?
First, a quick check.
Okay.
How dare you fool me! I warned you! Say bye to your makeup!
No! You'll see.
Huh? Come back here! What a lucky day! What was that?
Must be nothing. Brilliant plan! Almost there. Whoa! Oh no! Ugh! What happened?
Nice try.
Oh, you're mean.
What?
Oh, nothing. Now what? Oh, I got it! Just swipe some lipstick on my tongue. Like this. Done! It's me again.
Looks like you learned. Go on in.
Thanks.
I'm the best guard.
Phew, finally. Time for some lips. Huh? There. Pretty. No way! How did you sneak lipstick? Like this. Cool! Can I use it too? Sure. Let me show you how to rock these eyes. Steve will love it. Huh? So glad to see you.
Missed you too.
No way! Did you see that? Huh? He's flirting with her! Why did he do that? You messed up here. Oh no, it won't come off! Ah! Oh my gosh! Come here. Like this. Be quiet. Cover my mouth. Shh. Oh, check this mark. Whoa! I've got an idea! Hold still. Like that.
Wow, I gotta show Mom.
Nice! Now stick it on. Peel it off. And done! Wow, cool! Easy peasy. Let's do it right this time.
Wow, gorgeous. Hi, wanna date me?
In your dreams. That's how it's done.
How's it going?
I'm fine.
You look great.
Quiet in class! Uh-oh.
Talk later.
Maybe I'll write a note. There. Now a kiss mark. Mwah. Huh? That looks awful! Ugh. I'll use some lipstick. More on it. Oh yeah. Like that. Oops. That's bad. Oh no!
Hey, huh?
It's fine, just messing around.
Oh. Shh. Ugh, this teacher.
Darn! What now? Help me! Huh? What happened to your lips? Try to do lipstick. Poor thing. But I know what to do. Just dab lipstick on this sponge. Done. Stop crying. Here. What's this? It's for lips. Really? Let's try. I think it worked. Looks amazing. Psst. Hey.
What? Whoa.
Catch.
Oh, lovely.
This is also for you.
Huh? Oh my gosh.
Oops. Maybe too much. Time to water the plants. Nice. Huh? Wow. Pretty bracelet. Cool. Can I wear it? This one? Nope. Oh yeah? Take this!
Oh, what are you doing? Stop!
Give it.
Hey, let go!
Uh-oh. What did you do? Sorry. I'll pick it up. It's not working. Guess I'll need tape. Fine. I give up. What? Hands off. This is how you pick up tiny stuff. What a waste. Wait! What? Don't throw it! Why? You can still wear it. How? Look! Like this, see? Not bad. Love the sparkle. Wow, amazing! Told ya! I've got an idea. Let's put the tape here. And stick on some flowers. Like that. Done! Wow, cool! Now we both have awesome bracelets! No way! This is hilarious! Look! Aww. What's up? Hello? Not now. Huh? What are you looking at? You like him? Look at him. He's dreamy. Aww. Nice! I'm so happy for you! Let's switch seats. Why? Go talk to him. No. Oh my. Then write a note. Okay. Done. You sure about this? Huh? Let's try again. Ignoring me, huh? Oh, he doesn't care! Relax. Let's take off the glasses. Now go talk to him. Hi. Can you hear me? You okay? Are you asleep? Huh? You jerk!
Huh? What's going on?
Oh, hey.
What do you want?
Wanna go out with me?
Nope. I only date girls with cool tattoos like these.
Huh? But I don't have any. Wait, no problem. We'll make some. What? No, I hate needles! Fine. Wait here. I need stamps.
What you got for me?
Fine, here.
Nice doing business with you.
Great. Ready for your tattoos? Don't move. Oh, yeah. Let's add here and here. Done. Wow, cool! Now a bandana. And a leather jacket. How do I look? Awesome! Let's test it. Hey!
Whoa! Cool tats! And that look? Oh yeah! Looking good! Wanna go out?
Finally.